How to propagate hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are one of the easiest perennial shrubs to propagate. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to propagate hydrangeas, and I will take you through step by step how to propagate hydrangeas. Step 1. Get a stem cutting. If you see a hydrangea shrub that you like in your garden or your friend's garden, you can easily take a stem cutting. The nice thing about propagating hydrangeas is that you can take a stem cutting from any hydrangea shrub at any stage of maturity. You can even take stem cuttings from a hydrangea flower arrangement. It's that easy. It also doesn't matter when you take the stem cutting, be it in the spring or summer. Cut at least a 4-inch stem cutting from a hydrangea shrub. Cut below the node. Step 2. Remove the leaves. Use gardening scissors to remove the leaves of the stem cutting. This is so the hydrangea stem cutting can focus its energy on producing roots rather than leaves. Step 3. Rooting hormone. Dip the ends of the hydrangea stem into rooting hormones. I like to use this garden-safe rooting hormone, but you can use any rooting hormone. Step 4. Plant the stem cutting. Soak up a pot of potting mix with water. After dipping the hydrangea stem into the rooting hormone, plant the hydrangea stem cutting into the pot. Step 5. Wait for your hydrangeas to develop roots. Keep the pot outdoors and in the shade. It will take 4 to 5 weeks to develop roots. You can check for roots by gently tugging on the stem cutting. If there's resistance, the roots have developed and taken hold. Here's an example of hydrangea stem cuttings I planted 3 months ago. Here you'll see that the roots have taken hold. There is resistance if I tug it. You can see the hydrangeas are flourishing. Some of the stem cuttings even have flowers. It's so easy to propagate hydrangeas. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more gardening videos like this. Thanks for watching.